this gives you a sense of what this event is all about. Right behind me is the stadium where Prime Minister Modi is going to be in a couple of hours from now. A large number of non-resident Indians with me. They're all from Odisha. Are you all from Odisha? They're all. You're from Rajasthan as well. So it's a small sort of sense of India over here. I've met children, their parents from all across the United States. Many have come here a day or two in advance. Many have busted across now. West Coast, East Coast, they're all over here. We're going to be playing out those reports as well. But I thought it might be nice to ask a few questions over here. What's your name, sir?
Surya Mahapatra.
And Mr. Mahapatra, where do you live in the US?
In the Boston area.
And so are you excited about this event today?
Extremely excited.
Is this going to be your first time seeing a Modi rock show, as it were?
Yes, it is.
All right. Anybody else looking forward to it?
So I'm from
What's your
Orlando,
name?
Florida. I'm Dr. Rathore. I'm a neurologist in Orlando, Florida.
Right. And are you looking forward to this?
Absolutely. I flew in from Orlando for this.
You flew all the way. How many hours of flight is
It's
that?
a 2.5 hours.
2.5 hour flight. What's your name?
Devadatta Behra from Boston area. I actually was at the hotel receiving Mr. Modi yesterday night when he arrived. So yeah, very happy to have him as our new Prime Minister. He rocks.
You put together this wonderful flag which sort of shows India and the United States together. I suppose that's what it's all about, right? India and the US together. And you feel strong about being American and Indian at the same time, right?
100%. We are very proud to be Indian as well as American.
Would somebody like to talk about that? The fact that, you know, your roots are very strong and yet you're Americans over here and proud Americans as well.
Yeah, we are very proud to be kind of Indian here, and we are representing our India here. Yeah.
And would you like to say something, sir? Any expectations? What do you want to see over here? Any messages?
We are really proud to have Prime Minister Modi visit us, and we are so nationalistic here. We are all really, really proud to be Indians in America.
All right. Well, thank you so much, all of you, and good luck for this. So, Vedant, I'm going to move behind over here as all of my friends over here get set to go, and just give you an idea of what else is happening over here. Pooja, if we just pan the camera, we've got a couple of children over here. They're going to be performing in a little while as well in this location. If you look just behind over here, as you gently pan the camera, you can see hundreds of people actually getting set to go inside, just behind all of our guests that I spoke to over here. And, you know, there'll be several thousand people who will be assembled in this area. There are helicopters flying overhead. There's a massive sense of security over here. But there is such a sense of joy. And Pooja, some interesting color over there. You can see several dancers. You can see several. Can I just ask you to move to the side, sir? Just move to the side. Over there, you can see, you know, several more dancers. And there are so many troops over here of young people sort of going in. There are dance performances in the distance as well over there. So, you know, I mean, for the last couple of days, I've been talking about strategy and economy. And hi, would you like to say something? But today is the day of key celebration. What's your name, ma'am?
Jyoti.
And yours?
Shalini. I'm Avika.
Is that your daughter?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
All right. And you're going to be performing?
Yeah.
All right. So, are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Come over here. Come over here. And what grade are you in?
I'm in 9th grade.
And what are you going to be dancing? What is it, a Bollywood production?
Yeah, it is a Bollywood. And we've been working for like a while now. We've been like putting really hard.
You wanted to say something?
Yeah, we are very excited to see Mr. Narendra Modi.
Come. You can all sort of be here right in front of me. Face the camera over there. Do all of you want to wave? Come, everybody wants to come in right now. So, all right. So. Yes, I'm Vishnu. So
I've been following you as a teenager.
right. Well, I'm quite old now, so that's I've been around for a while. But tell us a little bit about what your expectations are. What do you want to see?
I think we're excited to hear him, and you know, really, it's great that everybody is here, and it's a great collaboration. We are happy to be here.
Same here. We are honored to be part of this program, and we are excited to see what Mr. President says.
Prime Minister. Prime Minister.
Well, would you like to have seen the president over here, Mr. Biden?
We haven't actually.
Perhaps it would have been nice if he were here as well, but Prime Minister Modi did meet him yesterday.
Quad summit, right?
All right, so in the Quad Summit. So there you have it, Vedant. You know, I mean, it's just wherever one goes, there are thousands of non-resident Indians over here. They're proud of their Indian identity, but equally proud about being Americans as well. And as you can see, there's this sense of... Come, great. Would you like to say something? Come forward. Would you like to say one sec? We are broadcasting live. Are you a teacher over here?
Yes, we both are teachers. We have another partner, Rachna. We are
Okay,
from...
now firstly, where are you from over here?
No, we came from Virginia. We are from
All of
DMV.
these kids from Virginia?
Yes.
Where in Virginia?
Ashburn. We're from Ashburn,
Right.
Virginia.
And how long? About a month? Did I hear right?
Yeah, like we've been practicing since a month, and then everyone with their busy schedule, like with school, like juggling around other activities, like everybody has taken out time, and then it's like a huge dedication, right? Because we have come all the way from Ashburn, and we are so excited to be part of this event. So yes, we just want to.
We hope that we get to see Mr. Modi here and Mr. Modi gets to see the performance that we are putting together. And it's a wonderful effort from our parents, our team, and our friend Shilpa, who has made it possible for TBF to be here and showcase what we have in to have our talent.
Well, I wish all of you all the very best. All of you look so incredibly excited to be here today. It's a great day today. And so it's back to you, Vedant, in the studio as we get set for this mega event. Walking in this direction to try and give you a sense of what's happening with me. Pooja, just follow me. Because the crowds over here have really started building up. This is the stadium where it's all place. And there are incredibly colorful people, and we're going to go over here and try and see a few of them who are particularly interesting. But right now, would you like to wave for us? All right, guys, wave for us. All right, we've got more people over here. Wave for us, please. You're on TV. All right. Guys, wave. Tell your friends also. You're looking fantastic. You're live. Tell them to turn around. Can you wave to the camera, please? All right. Where have you come from?
We came from Mangalore. We have come from Mangalore.
You've come all the way from Mangalore for this?
People from Mangalore, some from other parts of US. I come from Minneapolis.
All right. And what are you going to be performing?
I'm performing a Pili dance. So it is a Pili dance, and it's a tradition of Mangalore. I represent All America Tulu Association.
All right, good luck, sir. Enjoy yourself. Have a great time over there. And Pooja, behind me, you can see so many people sort of walking in over here. We've spoken to children and so many others as well. And these crowds are continuing to build up. Let's just continue. All right, people waving over there to us. People traveling from across the United States to be over here. Vedant, you can see there's so much color over here. It's back to you.
Absolutely, Vishnu. A lot of color and anticipation and excitement. But, it's also important to, in a sense, contextualize this. And I think you can do that for us, whether it was the Madison Square event to Howdy Modi to now in Long Island. Why is this diaspora diplomacy so important? Go ahead.
All right, Vedant. It's almost as loud as a big political event, a rally in India where you can't hear anything. So I'm just going to keep talking for another minute or two. You know what? You've got dancers on the left over there. And we're going to walk in that direction a little bit. And further up over here to the left, you can see people assembled trying to get in on this side as well. The Prime Minister will be here in a couple of hours from now. And so there you have it. I mean, you've got so many of these performers and so many dancing troops. I keep repeating myself because I'm a bit astounded at the number of people, the diversity of communities, Indian communities from across the United States who are over here. You've got little children performing over here as well, as you can see. and this is something which we thought we would bring you. We've got a lot of athletic young children, over here, and it's quite a treat to actually see them over here. It's absolutely fantastic. And this has been an event which has been organized by so many Indian groups over here. Groups which have done incredible work for a period of time. They've really wanted to make this a big event. We've seen these events of Prime Minister Narendra Modi be sellout events, and it's very much the case on this occasion as well. But let's just enjoy the moment over here as we see these young children perform and so many others in bright colors sort of be moving towards the entry. Pooja, we're going to hand over right now, Vedant, to the studio and come back to you in a little while from now.